And I'm sure you all appreciate it. Being in Texas, it's the cowboy and the one-legged horse.
Oh, partner.
John,
No, what do you mean?
you can't play that song ever again.
You
remember what happened last time you played that song? Last time you played that song.
No, we
last time you played that song.
we don't have time for flashbacks. We gotta.
Well, let me sum it up for you, the John. You opened up a dark portal and out came Cthulhu and your saga.
What?
And Jessica Alba.
She's still breathing fire down on the townsfolk.
How about you play a song that doesn't summon a dark portal, John?
Easier said than done.
I think the audience would appreciate it, though.
I would. All right. We need your help, though.
We used to train seals to do this.
This is H.John Wiggs.
All right.